Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty from Naio Nails. In this video we're going to do a really cool, trendy, brightly coloured, because we want the sun, ombre, but we're going to add a sugared effect. So I'm going to use these two colours. So we have a glass and a half, which is gorgeous purple, and we have Flame Point, which is like a coral. So I'm going to put the purple just up to halfway. I'm going to do this ombre a little bit different. I'm going to put this coral colour at the top. Just going to get that cuticle nice and crisp, she says. Or I could flood the cuticle, that would be nice. I'm going to use an orange wood stick dipped in a little bit of gel residue wipe off solution to just clean up this cuticle here. Because art is made of bubble. So the gel residue in the wood will just help slide off that gel polish. And I'm going to come down and you can just touch it, or you can leave the tiniest gap, and we do it this way. Many ways to ombre. So we're going to use the ombre brush, ombre brush, and instead of going like this, we're going to go to the side. We're actually going to go side to side, slowly mixing those colours together. And you can move ever so slightly up the nail and down the nail whilst doing this little motion. So that's an ombre there. We're going to pop that in the lamp, and then we will repeat the process till we have a real strong colour. So we're going to repeat this process. I'm holding two brushes in one hand. I do that quite a lot. How about another? So once you're happy with your blend, what you're going to do is, in this pot I have mixed Superfine glitter and also clear acrylic powder. So you're going to take your nail and sprinkle, let it snow all over the nail.
Is that really appropriate? Let it snow?
Well, it's snowing, so it's all going to be snow influenced. Even though we're trying to bring some brightness back into, you know, our lives.
Oh wow, that's sparkly.
It's like frosted.
How come it didn't do that earlier on?
Maybe it's because after we brushed it off, it just lost it a bit. Maybe. Right, pop me that into the lamp. So we're going to dust off. Oh, I love it. Right, let's put some cuticle oil on, but I'm going to be careful where I put the oil. I don't want the oil to take away the effect of the nail. I'm just going to rub that around gently. Don't want to bring it over the nail. Oh, I'm in love.
That's gorgeous.
Do you know when you've got fresh frost and it's sparkly? It looks like that. A bit of fluff come off. There's a random hair. Oh wow. Why have I not done this before? This is so nice. It's beautiful.
You could do a night sky thing like that.
Oh yeah.
Because it's like, they look like twinkling stars.
Yeah. There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and yeah, all that shebang.
Snapchat. Twitter.
Kirsty Nails.
Chat roulette.
Chat roulette? I don't do chat roulette. Oh my god. Tinder. I'm not on
Like
Tinder.
your fish.
Yeah. Keep watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.